Good afternoon. It is afternoon. I got a new. Actually, I bought this in Peavy Mart going out of business. Paid like 30% of normal price on it. So pretty cheap. And it's a light, very light sweater. My other one was kind of sort of kaput. We're back in Saskatchewan. Clean rain. Smashed my finger. Out here in Kelvington area. Got 2 more jobs here, and then we are going to. We're actually probably going into Manitoba.
That's what I like to see. The grader comes and blasts everything open.
Got a little bit of ice chunks in there. We're cleaning the barleys. Cleaning the barley. Cleaning the burley. Boy, the sun's starting to go down. It's getting cold again. Brr. Brr, brr, brr. There's nice barley. Some nice barley. These Wilson trailers are pretty cool. What's even cooler is the electric tarps and electric traps. Oh, so nice. So nice. Do-do-do-do-do. Wah, wah. Let's see what we got going on. Oh. What the wind's sucking out. Nice. Beautiful. One trailer full. We're done for the night. We want to get going in the morning, so don't want to go too crazy all night. Good morning. Sandy. There's a picture. Actually, yeah. Pictures are overrated. There's one. Yeah. Yeah. So back a couple of years ago, there was a comment made, all you gotta do is eat in there, which, not wrong. That's, well, what else are you gonna do? Anyways, we did some shopping this morning. Got a new French press, because I broke the other one last year. And this thing, it works, it just, yeah. Anyways, got some pork sausage, breakfast sausages. Yummy. Got this thing warming up. Looks okay. Throw in. Then once we do those, then we're gonna put some hash browns in. Well, fries. Cavendish fries. There. I'll put that for 20 minutes at, what's that say, 280? Good enough. We'll go 25. Oh, Co-op breakfast. The only thing better than Co-op breakfast sausages are our own breakfast sausages, which we'd normally have, but we don't, because, yeah. January 22nd. Wonder where they, wonder where they came from. Yeah, whatever. Yellow corn flour. Interesting. Oh well. Get a little hungry. Breakfast time. So good. Got some fries in there now. Gourmet. Got Brand new French press. Well, yeah. Coffee press, French press. Cooperative coffee. i.e. co-op. I broke this one. Not this one. I broke the one I had last year. Was it last year or the year before? It fell down, smashed it. So I was in co-op this morning when we were getting groceries. I was like, hey, why not get a new French press? This thing works okay, but you're doing little cups at a time. You're always cleaning it. It's just a pain. This one you do have to clean anyway. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll put 6 tablespoons in. Yeah, I'll try that. And I'm not sure how big this Yeti is. I don't want to put too much in. So I want to fill it up. So we'll put it like, I don't know, half full. Yeah. Try her out. Make a little bigger pot of coffee. Used to have a carafe. I don't know where to go. Probably took it home. So I'd make like 2 of these, fill the carafe up, and have coffee for half the day. And I think I took that home when I broke the coffee press. We're on the 4th hopper. Been going on it for probably 20 minutes. Some heavy barley. Woo. Nice barley. Woo-wee. Ooh. Oh. Let's go about there. Now, stick this in. Wham. Wham, bam. There, let that go down just a little bit. Let that soak for a while. Rest. Guess I could have filled this full. That's gonna be strong. Got it figured out finally. Yeah. That's strong. Right. First, well, we're actually coming back to this farm. We're going to do their neighbors now. So we did their barley here. Now we're going to their neighbors. Like, well, I don't know, it's like, I don't know, 20 miles away, give or take. Honestly, can't remember. Do their barley. Then we're gonna switch, clean out, go to oats, do their oats, and come back and do these guys' oats, and then we're done. So since it, instead of dicking around and all that stuff with flushing and whatnot, we don't have to flush. We're going from barley to barley. Then we'll do the oats there, do the flush, do the clean. We can come back here, do the oats without having to do flushing and cleaning, and then away we go. The next stop, Manitoba, actually. We're back rolling. Look at this. This barley's not cleaning up quite as heavy. Malt barley, this stuff is. Fancy, fancy. Oh, I love these bins. Oh, someday we'll have big hop up out of bins like this. Be a big time Saskatchewan style farmer. These are nice bins. Woo. Very, very nice. And nice trailers and trucks. All in good time, all in good time.